What you see here is a harness that I just made that will power a power seat in the event that you had a car that was equipped without power seats and does not have the harness to power a power seat. I get messages from people, and I've run into people that want to install power seats in their car, but their Volvo was not equipped with power seats. So if you have a 850, S70, V70 built between 1991 and the year 2000, and you want to install power seats in the car that did not come with power seats, this harness will power those seats for you. Now, here in the USA, every Volvo built in the 90s were wired for heated seats. Due to the fact that that car is wired for heated seats, you can use this harness, plug this into the heated seat harness, plug this into the power seat controller to move the power seats, and this will power the seats. Now, if your car was equipped with heated seats, you will need to have the heated seat switch button on for the seat to operate. If your car did not come with heated seats, it is still wired for heated seats, you would need this harness. You will also need the heated seat switch to make that a powered seat. So I'm going to offer two variants of this. I'm going to offer just a harness that you can plug into the heated seat harness, turn the heated seat on, plug this into the power seat module, and your power seat will work. If your car were not equipped with heated seats, you do not have the heated seat switches. So you will need this harness and the switch that turns the heated seat on. And you will also need a fuse to put in the fuse panel to power that heated seat harness. So the one variant, if you have heated seats in the car with the switches, you only need this harness. If you do not have heated seats equipped in the car, you would need a harness, you would need a fuse, you will also need the heated seat switch. So I'm putting these on my website for sale immediately. If you need one, order it, I'll ship it out. I have built several of them. I've tested them on S70s and 850s, so I know they work. Plug and play, get your power seat working if your car was not equipped with power seats. Plug and play means you don't have to splice in any wiring, take any wiring loose in the car, nothing like that. All you got to do is unplug or plug this into the heated seat harness, plug this into the power seat module, turn your heated seat on, turn the car on, and it'll work. Plug and play. For some reason, if you want your heated seat to work and your power seat, I would recommend you get this harness, you move the seat in the position that's comfortable for you, you unplug this from the heated seat harness, you plug your heated seat back in, now your heated seat works. If you want to move the seat again, you would need to unplug the heated seat, plug this harness back into the heated seat, and then you could move the seat again. It's up to you. This is a plug and play way to get your power seat moving without a bunch of wiring or complicated stuff like that. Here it is, folks. It's on my website, robertdiy.com. Hope it helps.